What's up, guys? This is Mark, Mr. H Crescent, and today I have the Dye Rotor LTR right in front of me. I'm going to show you the steps of what it takes to take off this stock lid and put one of our aluminum EVO speed feeds on this bad boy. All you're going to need is a Phillips screwdriver and a pair of needle nose pliers. Let's get straight into it. All right, guys, the first step to get this lid off is we need to take apart the LTR. You're gonna see on the backside here, there's 5 screws. All we gotta do is undo these 5 screws, and then we're gonna be able to get to the pin, which is gonna release the plastic top. All right, guys, now that we have the screws out of the shell and we pulled the centerpiece off, you're gonna see that there is a pin right in the center of this bad boy. I like to use needle nose pliers because that pin can get a little bit tight while it's in there. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna just pull out this pin right from the center here. Sometimes it's a little bit tight, but I got it out right there, super easy. So we got the pin out, put the needle nose pliers down. Once the pin's out, it's gonna release the stock lid. So that way you can see that's what was holding the stock lid in. What we're gonna do now is grab the shell and we're gonna put this center plastic piece back on top. And then we're gonna grab the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 screws and we're gonna screw them all back together right now. All right, guys, now that we have all the screws back in place and this is nice and secure, I'm gonna go ahead and put the lid back onto the rotor here. So I'm gonna snap that back in, push this down, and then now you're gonna have the rotor all set up here, but with nothing here. So what I'm gonna do is grab the EVO speed feed, and you're gonna see on the back side right here, there's a little button. This is the push button. This is what's gonna bring the pins in and out. So we're gonna push down on this, and then there's gonna be a little spring lever right here. You wanna make sure that spring lever is on the outside so you can see it. And then you're just gonna let go of the actual button and it's gonna be in there secure. And you know it's done right when 1, you can see the little lever of the spring right here. And then 2, if you just push down on the EVO speed feed and it pops back open like this, that's how you know it's incorrectly. And then on the outside right here, there's a button. You're just gonna push this button to make sure it's locked in place. And then you're ready to hit the field, guys. And these speed feeds are available on hcomedy.com. Let's go.